how to watch Disney Plus with friends and family remotely. Hello, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you want to enjoy Disney movies and shows together with your friends or family, even if you're not in the same place, I've got you. Disney Plus offers a built in feature called Group Watch, and the best part is that it's completely free for subscribers. Let me show you how exactly you can use it. First, pick any film or series on Disney Plus that you'd like to view as a group. On the titles page, look for the group watch icon. It usually looks like a set of profile bubbles. If you don't see the icon, head into your account settings and check if the group watch option is enabled. If it's disabled, just switch it on to continue. Once you click on the group watch symbol, Disney Plus will create a unique invitation link. You can send this link to anyone you want to join the session, whether it's your cousin across town or a friend in another country. As soon as they open the link and join, you're all set. After everyone's joined the virtual room, just hit play and you'll all be watching the same content at the same time, in sync. It's a great way to stay connected and enjoy your favorite shows together, no matter the distance. What makes this feature special is that many other streaming platforms don't offer it, so Disney Plus definitely scores some points for making remote viewing this easy. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.